time to get up.
You're really enjoying it.
That's pretty funny.
Grayson, cheese. You were giggling all this time.
Well, he has to wait for the balls to jump.
My purse. I got my camera here.
Grayson.
5 of them in there.
Grayson. Can you say thank you? Thank you, Ken and Lynn.
Can you say thank you, Ken and Lynn?
Thank you.
Good boy.
Grayson, hi.
One more. One more.
Over here, Grayson.
Okay, wait till it
Grayson.
starts and he'll laugh.
Here.
Grayson.
You can only put 5 in, Dad.
Oh, okay. That's all right. I don't know where it'll
Hi, Grayson. Who's happening? Now I should have gotten.
Yeah, watch when the balls come out.
Oh, okay, no way.
That is good.
That is so cute. So cute.
I got it afterwards.
Did it sleep good?
I think only 5
You knew.
came out, right? Yeah.
Do it
There's probably one in
again.
there. I would
Oh,
just
that
put in
is
4 and
so
see if
much
5 come out.
fun. And I got Thomas the Train bubble thing. It comes out automatically.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Put all of them in there, buddy. All of them have to go in.
That is so neat.
Do the other ones. And like Apple, hold that.
you buy the photographer galley.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Oh, we go back to, okay.
One more day.
What a great toy.
There you go. See what happens.
And it matches his invitation. If he's had nothing else, that was great.
Those cats are going to try and get your toys.
I was like, oh, boss, no, he was pretty sure.
They know. He's the reason they lost me. So
I
they know that his birthday is burned
Oh, that's-
into there.
yeah, that's-
but I talked to his wife about a month ago.
Yeah, 'cause I
Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye, Ken and Lynn.
Oh, you can email that still.
Good boy.